Video, man. God damn, why did I do that? My bad, y'all, man. I ain't got my camera stick together, man. I just got off work on your boy Tired, man. Y'all see in the background, I'm over here at Popeyes. Finna try some of this. They fixed this shit fast. I told them extra minute they had this shit sitting up. But yeah, man. What y'all think of me? I asked for a regular one. What the? I asked for a regular one, but they gave me damn spicy. But y'all, we finna head to Delta Muffler real quick. Finna go see what options they have, man. Finna go see what options they have. I had drove this thing to work because I already knew what I was gonna do today. So I'm just gonna go up there, man, and hopefully they can give me a little hookup, man. I don't know. But that's what I'm aiming for, man, to give me a little hookup. I wanted fries too. But hell, they feel like they'll rush me. Soon as I open the door. Welcome to Popeye, why can I get it for you? I'm like, damn, I ain't even walked to the counter yet. Time I walked to the counter, hell, everybody was looking at me because I ain't telling what I needed when I opened the door. So I'm like, damn, let me get up here first. Now I said, let me get 2 regular chicken sandwich. One of the girls, I heard her too, plain clear. One of the girls said spicy, and she gave it to him. I said, man, I just said regular. I ain't say nothing about no spicy. But so guys, some of these restaurants, man, they need better management, man. I was working at restaurants. We fix these burgers and food how we'll eat it. That motherfucker ride, boy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Gotta get the top did next. Definitely gotta get that did next, man. But yeah, that motherfucker ride, boy. Got the AC blowing. It ain't nothing like a box ship with the AC blowing on the interstate, man. We got probably about 15 more minutes. Keep riding though, man. I bet they gonna be like, man, you stay over here, man. Last time I couldn't do it when I was over here, so we're gonna see this time, y'all. This thing gonna help, man. Yo, so I'm gonna go with that one, man. He's see how that thing sound. Yeah, I'll go with that one, man. That's all I'm gonna do. The whole car looks great. Oh yeah, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
Look step on TikTok when you get it.
What's your name on TikTok?
Delta Sauce.
Delta Sauce? Oh, Delta Sauce. Yeah, I'm definitely.
We're trying to get 1,000 so we can go live.
Yeah, you gotta have 1,000 go live now.
Yeah, they killing us on that. Every video we get, a great video.
Yeah.
They kick us. They kick
Why?
us account because they say something in it. It's dangerous.
You just gotta. I think the more you post, it'll definitely, y'all. So better see what we finna do, man. We over here. Delta's off now. We only get 1 Flowmaster right now. Not doing 2 right now, man. Real. I'm gonna tell y'all the reason why I can't do 2. The reason I can't do 2 because they told me to come up here. When I came up here, they said they ain't gonna have time. I said, God damn. So I know 2 gonna make a breed better, but we're gonna stick with 1 right now, man, because we got some plans, so we're gonna do 1 for right now. We'll come back one day to do the other one.
Oh, man. This is vicious, man.
That's right.
Oh, God, man. Oh, man.
Nothing too major. Y'all been busy today?
It's been steady. It has been steady. Normally on Friday, we were first about to talk to you, Ray.
Oh, man.
With that bridge being out like it is,
Yeah.
you know we got to suffer in some. So we glad. We here.
Yeah, that's right. On the thing.
And the trash getting picked up. Man, I'm so
Man,
happy
that letter over with, man.
Yeah, I'm so happy about that. God, man.
That letter over with.
Yeah, now we just back to can't drink the water.
Damn, again?
Well, I was cool with can't drink the water, but when you can't drink the water, can't throw your trash out, it's bad.
You can't drink the water again?
Yeah, I haven't been on drinking 3 years.
Damn.
I get a boil water notice in my mail. every week, once a week.
Oh, you serious?
I guess they just make sure I don't forget about it.
So you got to buy bottled water every time.
Every week.
That's a shame, cause I showed. I love tap water,
I
man.
always thought the crime. You know, when I was growing up, we drinking out the hose. You know, we in the backyard. Don't matter whose house it was. You know.
We see an apartment complex. We see a hose. Shit, we finna go grab some water. That'd be the best water too.
Everybody had water.
Nowadays, kids they can't eat. They ain't gonna understand.
No, they don't. They don't understand that.
And you get the good thing when it's fresh water, when it ain't been turned on yet.
Yeah.
When you playing, that'd be the.
Remember when you had to wait?
Wait till it get cold.
Yeah. All the young kids go up there.
Yeah, you had to wait.
Yeah, come out. Boy, come on. How long were we first come?
Yep.
You weren't watching. That's funny. Man, that's funny. It's so true. So true.
And you know, that shit'll fill you up too. I promise that water fill you up.
Yeah. If you done run a couple miles, y'all done play football, basketball, baseball.
I promise you.
Broke somebody's window, run down the neighborhood, drinking water off the old lady hose.
Exactly.
That was
Ooh, that thing sound better. What's it called, a pinky?
I think you break it with your paint.
Oh yes. Sound good. Thing do sound good. Thing do sound good.
Yes, sir.
I like it now. They gotta put some headers on it now. She still got the stock manifold. Huh? You don't like the manifold? I'm gonna get some.
It's the original deal, but they start getting the straws start getting bad
Yep.
and they're made out of cast. They start getting the heat up, the cooling down, and so they kind of show those seal right.
Oh
I
yeah.
like to set a headers on there. It sounds good.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that.
Breathe better. Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Me too. Yeah, I like the idle. Well, y'all can crank it up for me. I'm gonna step back. Ain't gonna be like, man, I know them guys, man.
I can crank it, back it up.
Yeah, it's back it up too. I just want to hear how that thing sound, man. She sound better than I thought.
Sounds nice, right?
I ain't never just got one Flowmaster on there, but it sound good though.
Yeah, it does. You can't be a Flowmaster. They got their own sound to them, you know.
Yeah.
They got a good sound.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That thing nice. That thing sound. She growling now. Yes, sir. Man. She sound a whole lot better. Man, appreciate y'all, man. Yes, sir. All right. All right, guys, man. Y'all let me know what that thing sound like. Woo, she's breathing. She sound good, man. I already know two Flowmaster gonna sound better. I already know that. It's just the fact that I got something to do tomorrow. So, I had to get one right now. Oh, she sound better. She got a little more of a rumble to it now. Like I said, I got something to do tomorrow, but that's why I got one. Plus, I was gonna do two, but she sound better though. Turn this air on. Woo. Then I get to ride with the AC on, y'all. Yeah, she sound better, man. See, I didn't know she was gonna sound better like this, man. But, like I said, I got something to do tomorrow. That's why I ain't do the two Flowmaster, the dual, and I know it'll breathe better. Plus, I know if I put headers and shit on there, it's gonna breathe better. So my goal is to continue to build on this car. You know, so I'm gonna eventually order some headers, and eventually I'm gonna do dual exhaust, and you know, get how I want it, man. You know, so y'all know how it is, man. You gotta trust the process. So she do sound good. Y'all can tell. Y'all can hear it from y'all yourself. She do sound good. So that's a good thing. But yeah, man. We just, like I said, shout out to Delta Muffler, man, on Terra Road. Of course, man, they come through. So, oh yeah, I do gotta hook my damn kickdown cable up. Because my kickdown cable not working, so we probably gonna ride through my old hood, man, to see if my mechanic out there. If he won't have to go with me, he probably can fix it while he there. So we're gonna go, if we have time, to trying to go from there and see if I can see if he can help me out. He might help me out. He might help me out, man. We're gonna see. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, man. I was kind of nervous at first, man, to do the. She ain't got that power like how she is, but she sounds good, man. Full of looks, man. Like I said, I ain't got this car to race. I like to ride, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't got nothing too major. I just like to ride, man. If y'all new to the channel, man, y'all subscribe to the channel, because there's some shit that y'all gonna want to see. The way I'm going right now, the way I'm doing these cars, man. I'm telling y'all, man, y'all gonna want to subscribe to the channel, man. Plus, y'all can stay alert. Y'all can always get notified when I drop a video. Y'all can be the first one that's on there to know, hey, damn, he just popped the video out. Because I've been popping the video out constantly, you know, so your boy on the way to 25K. I'm trying to get to 25K. Damn. Woo. That fucking heat. I'm trying to get to 25K, y'all. Help me get to 25K. I need y'all.
Like when you walk, it kind of move.
Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, it's playing in mode now.
I tell him put that shit. He said, I was like, well, I don't know. I said,
man, I got.
Picture, it kind of threw me off. A little bit out like, well,
threw you out too. They threw me out
but
too.
then when I see it now, I'm like, nah. Yeah, so, like, see how you move? Like, look right there.
Mm-hmm.
You see what I'm talking about right there?
Oh yeah, I see it.
I just write this shit up. Write my phone. I got an iPhone 3G. Nigga, this a fucking. Fuck y'all.
Nah, I just talking.
you probably zoomed in close. My shit just normal. I bet
Nah, see, I got it. Nah, I got the iPhone 14.
You use Snapchat, man.
You can see mine.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why probably.
Yeah, nigga. Hold on.